What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is the Wicked Ninja. So last time y'all was talking about this with me, I had a little skit showing the fuel pump. I fixed that. I replaced the fuel pump. That's what we got now. It's not leaking, you can't tell, but the other one was leaking even when it was out the box. I checked this. It's clean. The filter's clean. Another thing to check out, y'all. They had a power commander. And in the power commander, I had to disconnect it just to see if it would work without it, since it was a plug-in piggyback. And it ended up working out for the most part. It got it started. Without it, it didn't start with it connected. It still has these janky wires. I don't know if we can focus up. And that connects straight to my fuel pump, so that sucks. I had a couple vacuum leaks. Right now, I think I'm facing a vacuum leak. This had no connection, so me and my cousin kind of connected that in. Where it connects to something. It connects to the second cylinder, whatever, carburetor, air, you know. So I don't know if that belongs to be connected to that. I'm gonna connect this to the box. I replaced my fuel plugs, but I did not replace my fuel coilovers, my ignition coils. Maybe that could be an issue. The oil's still good. There's a bolt down here. I don't know if you can be able to see it. It's not a bolt, but I'll show you later. I don't know what it connected to, but I seen it connected to my thermostat. If you can see my finger. So I ended up trying to unhook it right here. I ended up trying to unhook it, but I pushed it back. I was just making sure it wasn't a vacuum leak, since it does have a hose that connects to it, you see. So this isn't our tight though. So we can go ahead and see what's up, y'all. See if we can try to get this bike started. Everything's working. We're just gonna put these to the side. So we're gonna tuck these in. Please don't judge me. Yeah, this goes to it too. Y'all, I got these two connectors right here. I don't know what they connect to. I care about my battery. If anybody knows, let me know. It's a 2006 Zx6r 636 edition. What's over here? Okay, this goes to my box. So let's get this plugged in. We're gonna get this plugged in and we're gonna come right back and see what's up. I'm gonna hook up my box real quick. Stay tuned. Leaving a plug so I can spray something in there. Because I want y'all to kind of see, regardless of what happens, before I spray something in there, gotta take a little sip. Yeah, I'm trying. She getting better every time. Every time I mess with her, she doing something better, you know? So we'll see. We'll see. If I can't do it, by the time I'm done with it, it's all gonna be fixed, huh? That's crazy. You too. Yeah, I sprayed it right up in there. I don't play. Y'all hit me up on comments and let me know if y'all think that was the wrong. All right, I'm gonna try it again. This is what it does, and I do try to start it up. I guess we still got the FR light. Let's take off the kickstand. That was only because of the fluid, but it started up high and stuff. It has gas in it, so I don't know why I would be doing that shit. Let's turn the idle up a little bit. Go to the right a lot, just to see. Maybe we can turn it up more. At this point, we might need to put a jumper to the battery. If that's the case, then we'll come do it on another video skit. But you seeing what it's doing? I got the idle up all the way, just so it can grab onto something, since it wants to go high anyway. Why it's going high, I don't know. Let's turn it down. don't know. I'll put the battery on a charger here in a minute. That's what it does, man.